Hello everybody. In our previous video we had started discussing about articles and we had discussed about a type of articles as well, that is indefinite article. Here in this video we are going to discuss about definite articles. Let's see what are definite articles. Definite articles होते क्या हैं? The, THE, the is the only definite article in English. Why? Because it is used to refer to a particular member of a group or class, and it may be something that the speaker has already mentioned or it may be something uniquely specified. The is the only word. the सिर्फ एक ऐसा word है जो इंग्लिश में एज अ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल यूज होता है. Why so? Because it is used to refer to a particular member of a group or a class. क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम किसी ग्रुप या क्लास के पर्टिकुलर मेंबर के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड अगर हमने कहीं पर किसी नाउन को ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर दिया है, तो लाइक इफ आई से आई सॉ अ लायन, द लायन वॉज स्लीपिंग अंडर द शेड ऑफ अ ट्री. मैंने एक लायन देखा. अब यहाँ पे लायन इज अ लायन ओनली, बट when we have already mentioned that and now we are going to talk about the same noun again and we have to use the noun, then before that we use definite article the. Why? Because here we are especially specifying the noun that we have already mentioned. That is why this is called definite article. Use of definite article the. अब definite article the कहाँ यूज होता है? फर्स्ट, व्हेन वी रेफर टू सम पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग. जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या चीज़, बट दैट इज़ नॉट प्रॉपर नाउन. रिमेंबर, कॉमन नाउन है, बट हम पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, देन वी यूज आर्टिकल द. लाइक आई सेड द लायन. यहाँ पे मैं एक पर्टिकुलर लायन की बात कर रही हूँ. सेम वे द बॉयज ऑफ दिस स्कूल आर वेरी ओबीडिएंट. देयर आर मेनी बॉयज इन द वर्ल्ड, but here right now I am talking about particular boys, the boys of this school. That is why here we are using definite article the. When a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class, जब हम एक ही तरह के पूरी किसी क्लास के ग्रुप के बारे में बात करते हैं by using a singular noun, like if I say द कंप्यूटर इज़ अ यूजफुल मशीन. अब यहाँ पे मैं एक कंप्यूटर की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, एवरी कंप्यूटर. सेम वे द डॉग इज़ अ फेथफुल एनिमल. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द होल क्लास. जितने भी डॉग्स हैं, डॉग्स की पूरी जैसे कहते हैं प्रजाति के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दिस हैज़ बीन यूज्ड विथ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द. Before the names of water bodies like seas, oceans, lakes, rivers, there we use article the, like the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea. Before the names of newspapers and sacred means धार्मिक जो books होती हैं, like the Ramayan, the Bible, the Tribune, there we use definite article the. Before common nouns, which are names of unique things, we can say the things that are only one in the whole world. The earth, the sun. Here we can even say the Mahatma Gandhi. दो proper noun से पहले article the use नहीं होता, but we are talking about the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. Any person, any else person can also be called Mahatma Gandhi, but here we are talking about the Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of the nation. Before the directions like the east, the west, the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. Before the names of races or nations, races or nations means किसी like we are talking about a particular group or community, there we use definite article the. The Hindus, the English defeated the French. अब यहाँ पे the English language के बारे में हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. The people belonging to England, they are just like the people belonging to India. The Indians are great human beings. Here we are talking about the proper nation, the English. इंग्लैंड के लोगों ने फ्रेंच के लोगों को हरा दिया. द इंग्लिश डिफीटेड द फ्रेंच. बिफोर सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज एंड ऑर्डिनल नंबर. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री जब दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बीच में कंपैरिजन किया जाता है. He is the tallest boy of the class. January is the first month of the year. So these are the places where we use definite article the. Now there are few things or nouns where we don't use any article. What are they? Before the names of proper nouns. For example, Delhi, Ashoka, Sunday, January. But definitely exceptions are there where I told you, if we are talking about father of nation, we say Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation. I am talking about Mahatma Gandhi. Which Mahatma Gandhi? The Mahatma Gandhi. Here the people can understand. Names of materials like gold, silver, cotton. Gold is a precious metal. We don't say the gold. Abstract noun that are used in general. Abstract noun that are used to describe our feelings. Honesty is the best policy. We don't say the honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Best is superlative degree. That is why we have used article the. Arts and sciences. For example, painting is a fine art. We don't say the painting is a fine art. I don't like to study mathematics. So, with arts and sciences, we don't use any article. I hope definite article the is clear. Thank you very much.